Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today we are going to do some swatches on this beautiful palette. I can't believe I've not done them already. It's the BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint Tropez. So let's swatch this beautiful palette. So it kind of does mirror the art packaging. So it's got the umbrellas there, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I got this one from TK Maxx for £6.99, which was a really good deal, and that's what mine looks like, all fresh. So we're going to get first impressions together. It just looks beautiful. In fact, I think I want to pull this out in the next shot my stash. So that's pretty light. That'll make a good transition shade. So that one is Sand. The next one is Crepe. Beautiful. I love them kind of tones. I'm gonna just push this tripod back a little bit. Then we've got Exotic. Crepe's quite powdery. Then we've got Exotic. Oh, this one's good. It's a duochrome. It's a very sheer topper. Actually, it's not a topper, but it is a duochrome. Look at that, guys. I love them kind of tones as well. Then we've got Coastline. Oh my gosh, this is another lovely shade. Well, we know what we're going to be using next shot my stash, don't we? One of the palettes. That's that one. Then we've got Marina. Really nice as well. I've got to admit, I love these palettes for the most part. I love these palettes. They're a lot better than the normal BH palettes that I've had in the past. Even like the newer Santa Claus palettes, even the newer Mrs. Claus palette that I've got is a lot better in formula than that. So I would get more of this formula, maybe not so much of the other palettes that they do. So the next one is Cabernet. Really nice deep plum. That one's swatching a bit patchy. I don't know if it's my arm, it could be. Can you see how that's swatching patchy? Then we've got Beach Club. Nice. So we're back on track now, no patchiness, but I wouldn't expect patchiness with shimmers anyway. Then we have Super Yacht. Now I don't normally go for those types of shades there, but that looks more purple than pink, so yeah, that'll be good. I think it's definitely more of a summer palette. But when did that bother us? Then we've got Paradise. Then we have Villa. That's a really nice pinky peach shade. Then we've got Pampelone. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I butchered it, I'm sorry guys. And then we've got Bay. Yeah, it's going patchy again. It could either be the shades or it could be my arm, because it's quite rough as you go up, so it could be my arm. We'll see when we actually use the palette. Then we've got Intoxicating, this lovely yellow. It's a pastel yellow. Oh, that's really nice. Sometimes yellows and white bases don't show up to the party, do they? That one does. Then we've got Nightlife. Pretty. Then we've got Jet Set. Nice pretty red. And then we've got Sizzle. So that's Sizzle, and that is all, what, 4, 8, 12, 16 shades. So it looks like you're getting more mattes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you're getting 10 mattes, and then 6, is it 6 or 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6. I seem to have lost the ability to count. So you're getting 6 shimmers, which isn't ideal. I think it's my OCD takes over. I like the same amount of shimmers to matte ratios, but that doesn't always happen. I don't mind like maybe 1 or 2 mattes. I would have preferred at least 1 more shimmer in this palette, but I do really like it. It's a beautiful palette. That's what it looks like. I guess what they've done is they put more mattes in here because obviously it is summer. It is targeted as a summer palette. I would have loved to see a yellow shimmer as well as this intoxicating shade, but you can't always have everything, and they do have to cater to the wider market, not just to what Andie wants. But yeah, this is the palette, guys. They're these shades. Absolutely beautiful. Love that one, that one, that one, and then all the mattes. These darker mattes, like these blues and even this pink down here, I might not get that much use out of. This shade here, Sizzle, did I tell you the name of it? I don't think I did. And that one's called Jet Set. So the red is called Jet Set, and the purple shade down here is called Sizzle. That's more of a sequin shade, like what Colourpop put in their palettes. It's got glitters in it. I will take some pictures of it and I'll show you what it looks like. But yeah, if you don't like those sequin shades that Colourpop do, you might not like it. But the rest of the palette is beautiful, and if you can get it for £6.99 at your local TK Maxx, say grab it, guys. It is absolutely stunning. Anyway, we're going to conclude this video here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.